Sarah lived in a cool apartment. She had lots of plants. She had a fluffy rug. Everything was perfect for her videos. Sarah made funny videos online. People loved her silly jokes. She was becoming super famous. One day, Sarah was editing a video. She was adding fart noises. Suddenly, she got a message. The message said, "I know your secrets." Sarah gasped. Who was this? She looked around her room. Was someone watching her? Her heart pounded like a drum solo. This was creepy. Sarah reread the message. It didn't say anything else. Who would do this? Sarah decided to play detective. She put on her thinking cap. It was a baseball cap she turned backward. She looked at the message again. It came from a fake name, but there was a clue. The message had a picture. It was a photo of a cat. Sarah knew that cat. It belonged to her neighbor, Mr. Whiskers. Sarah stormed next door. She pounded on the door. Mr. Whiskers opened it. He was wearing a bathrobe and bunny slippers. "Mr. Whiskers, did you send me that message?" Sarah asked. Mr. Whiskers blushed. "Yes," he mumbled. "I wanted to ask if you could make a video with my cat. I thought it would make him famous." Sarah laughed. Mr. Whiskers was a secret influencer wannabe. This was so silly.